Come here then. Doesn't go in the ear, you goof. Get it.
Get it, Mama. Get it.
Lead it on.
Go get it.
Sorry. You need to start working for stuff. If you want it, get it, kid. You could do it. No, really. She like shows the whole ear.
Munching on Snow White.
Oh, don't you, God. Oh, God. Oh. Yeah. What's Daddy doing? Say, Daddy. Appa. Oh. Kill Snow White.
What'd you do to Snow
Uh-oh.
White?
Get her. Get her. Come on. You're so lazy.
Get her. Get Belle. Get Belle.
There's one leg every time it gets stuck.
Just gotta push it out.
She did it the other night, and then it was the only time.
Come on. Come on.
You could do it. You can do it.
One leg out.
I'm a freaking goodness. Stuck under my meat bone. Let's see about you.
You gotta push the other leg out too. That's just one leg.
And it's the perfect time for you to start crawling would be on a weekend so your daddy can see it.
Get Belle. Get Belle. Come on. Come on, Tutti Fruit.
Hi, darling. You said hi? How? Yay. You're so cute. Who's calling? You should go check.
Oh, honey.
We're both a bunch of lazy bums. You get a bug bite on your head again. How do you get all these bug bites? I don't understand. You must be really sweet. Who was it?
Mom and Dad?
Call him back, dude.
Huh?
Call him back.
They're gonna call on the cell phone.
I hope not. I'm taking video of it. Call him back before she calls the cell phone, baby. Come on.
What?
Daddy's a pain in the butt, kid. He is. Yeah.